Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the GROKxAI token. Now this token just started their pre-sale recently on pinksale.finance. There's about half a day left of this pre-sale still to go. So this token is trending number 7 right now. It's a Binance Smart Chain token. They're doing very well in this pre-sale. They're way past their soft cap. It's a very successful pre-sale already. Public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. Name of the token and ticker symbol are the same, GROK, and then a space xAI. And they have a full audit. So we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it even after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token here, looks like they started their pre-sale just recently. It's probably a 24-hour pre-sale. Yeah, so it's even under 24 hours. It's 23 hours and 30-minute pre-sale. Started exactly November 10th, 14:30 UTC time. And it goes until November 11th, 14 hours UTC time. So there's still about half a day left of this pre-sale. Like I said, they're trending number 7. Soft cap was set at 25 BNB. And they've already sold 300.03 BNB worth of tokens. So it's already a very successful pre-sale. They've had 116 different investors contribute to the pre-sale. There's a low amount of tokens. Total supply is 1 million tokens. 1 million is low in the crypto meme coin world. 18 decimal places on this token. So they do have a full audit. They were audited by Rug-Free Coins. And you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale. They also have a webpage on here, GROKxAI.tech. They have a Twitter. I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over there at GROKxAI token. And the same thing for their Telegram at GROKxAI token. They also have an Instagram on here with the same address. Or actually, it looks like that's not available yet, but it looks like they're probably going to have an Instagram and a Discord soon. So it says, a FOMO, fear of missing out, after the inauguration of GROK by Elon Musk. So if you don't know what that is, obviously, it's very popular right now. I don't know how you could not have heard of it, and especially in the crypto world, there's so many GROK tokens these days. This is like ChatGPT competition. It's supposed to be kind of like ChatGPT, but they're going to censor some really bad things, and they're going to make it more. Elon Musk is going to make it more funny. It's going to be more humorous, and he said something about like the Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. So yeah, it's got those 3 components. So BSC has come back with the ultimate meme coin, the GROKxAI token. GROKxAI not only inherits the popularity of Elon, but also integrates new cultural features, potentially becoming the next viral sensation. AveDex hot trending, no contract on launch, so basically they're saying contract will be renounced. There's going to be buybacks. 3% buy and sell tax, BSC trending, only 25 BNB hard cap, and like I said, they're already at 300.03 BNB, so they're way past that. 1 BNB max buy per wallet for the pre-sale. And 70% of the tokens will be burnt, it says here as well. So that's pretty cool. Now, if you end up missing this pre-sale, first of all, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of these new tokens. But second of all, shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the GROKxAI token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, GROKxAI.tech. Now, you'll probably have to set your slippage around 3% for buys and sells and maybe transfers because of the taxes. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 69 days. Now, 69 days is not a long time, so just be aware of that. In a little bit over 2 months, all the tokens become unlocked. So yes, follow their socials to see, if they extend the locks and all that type of stuff. But yeah, just be aware of that. Only around 2 months for the liquidity lock. According to their token metrics allocation pie chart, 17.5% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 8.62% of the tokens go to liquidity, 1.05% of the tokens are unlocked, and 72.82% of the tokens get burnt. So there is a free and quick light audit by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale, and it says no mint function found. Owner cannot mint new tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees over 25%. Owner cannot set max transaction amount. Owner cannot change trading status. Owner cannot set blacklist, and owner has to manually enable trading. So the last one is a warning. It says owner has to manually enable trading. So also be aware of that. So yeah, short liquidity lock, one warning on the audit. Now, if you head to their webpage, they have a DEX view link, buy and PinkSale, their socials, roadmap, tokenomics. So yeah, doesn't even tell you what the tax is for, and that's always annoying to me. But yeah, not tons of info on here, really. Just the roadmap, basically. It says Phase 1 is building the Telegram, building the project's Twitter, creation of the smart contract, auditing the smart contract. Phase 2 is creating PinkSale subscription pool, begin our initial pre-launch marketing, conclude pre-sale, launch on PancakeSwap. Phase 3, listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, massive Twitter influencers, Telegram calls, BSC trending, AveDex hot trending, community competitions, and brainstorming long-term utilities. So basically, they have little to no utility, so just be aware of that. Now, their Twitter has 1,483 followers, and their Telegram has 2,827 members on it. So go check out all this info here on PinkSale. Let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.